If you love watching football, then this is a perfect side hustle I would recommend you start. Yes, this is a perfect side hustle that I would recommend you start. So in this video, I will show you how to make money from the next football season that is actually starting very soon. This is August, actually on the 21st of August this month. Premier League will officially start. So I want to show you how you can actually position yourself that you start making money from the next football season. The amazing part about this is that you don't have to be a footballer to make money from football. So in this video, I will show you the step-by-step procedure. I will explain it rather on how you can actually start building a brand around football. Now, this market is a very huge market. It's a very huge market. If you focus basically on just Nigerians alone, over 137 million people, 137 million Nigerians are watching football. That is over 67% of the total population. We are not talking about the globe. We are not focusing on the globe. We are just focusing on the Nigerian market alone. 137 million out of 250 million people are watching football. So you see, that's a very huge market that you can target and build a brand that you can make money from it. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money from it, but the focus here is to build a brand, a football brand. So officially on the 21st of August, Premier League will be starting. So few days from now, today's date is what? Is it 13 or 12? I've forgotten the date. But before the ending of this month, August, Premier League will officially start. That is the 21st of August, which is Friday. So if you can build a channel that consistently share football updates, news, transfer rumor, gossip, opinions, and other football related content, you will be amazed at what you can build for yourself. This is just a perfect hack I am giving to you. So if you're obsessed with football, don't just waste your time to watch. Find a way to position yourself. Most people are just obsessed in watching the football, but they don't try to see how they can make money from it. Like I said earlier, that you don't have to be a footballer to make money. All right, so what I'm going to show you on this video, or in this video, you can actually leverage it to build a brand for yourself that can start paying you. I'm going to show you the procedures you can actually use to make money. So you don't need to be a footballer. You don't actually need to be a footballer. You don't actually need to play professional football. You don't actually need to be a sport analyst. You don't need to have big office, and you don't even need to show your face. This is an amazing part. I'm going to show you how you can work without showing your face. I'm going to be explaining the tools you actually need. So what you need is a phone, internet connection, and simple design tools, and the ability to consistently give fans information about what they care. Football fans, you give them valid information about what they care. You don't have to stress yourself, because I will show you platforms where you can get football information, football updates, news, relevant new transfer news, futures, and so on. So you don't have to be any football journalist or football analyst before you can do this, okay? So here is the steps, or here are the steps you should follow through if you want to succeed in this thing. Find your football niche. Very, very important. Find your football niche. So the mistake most people make is trying to talk about everything. The mistake people make is they try to talk about everything. So football news is general. Football news is general. Sport news is general. So you can decide to pick a focus. Maybe you talk about Premier League, transfer news, Champions League, Nigeria football, and African football. But I will not advise you to focus on Nigeria football, because most Nigerians are not obsessed with Nigeria football and African football, except Cup of Nations. And so we don't focus on that. Our focus is basically on Premier League, the English football, and maybe Spanish La Liga also, and other international football games. So Champions League, transfer news, and so on. So just pick a specific niche that will be very relevant, that people will be very much interested with. Mostly football in general. Basically football in general, foreign football news in general. So find a very suitable niche. Now the next thing here is to give your page a name. Just find a very suitable name that is catchy, that people resonate with, that once they see the name, they will understand what this page stands for. EPL Daily, Transfer Zone, Football General, Match Day Africa, and so on. There are lots of names. You can ask ChatGPT to come up with the best name for you to use for your brand. So you just have to create a simple design using Canva Pixel Lab to design your logo, and you don't try to look like most of these professional football sites. All right. Don't try to look like most of these professional football sites. Just create something simple, something that resonates, that people will see and understand what your page stands for. So step 2 is the tools you actually need. You need Canva for design, Pixel Lab for design. Remember we talked about that you are not showing your face. That means the tools you will actually use are tools that will enable you not to show your face. So Pixel Lab and Canva are very good for that. So using Canva, you can use Canva to create graphics carousels. For those who know what carousel is, I'm going to explain it so that you understand. You can create carousels. You can use Pixel Lab also. Me, if you want to ask me my best recommendation for between Pixel Lab and Canva, I will gladly advise you go with Pixel Lab, because you can use Pixel Lab even offline. Yes, and it is 100% free. So these are your main tools you will use for your designs: Pixel Lab and Canva and ChatGPT. Basically for your caption, brainstorming, and content idea. Remove that script because we are not doing video. Brainstorming, caption, script, and content idea. So these are enough. With these tools, you are actually good to go. And just your smartphone, just go to Play Store. For those who are using iOS, I don't know if the app is available, but for Android users, you can download Pixel Lab and you are good to go. All right, so just download Pixel Lab and you are 100% good to go. Then you can use alternatively the website of ChatGPT, or you can use the application. I often use the website alternative, so chatgpt.com. You are good to go. All right, so the next step here is, what should your content look like? Very simple. You don't have to make everything complicated. Just simple headlines that is persuasive, catchy, and very interesting. Maybe a player is moving from club A to club B, rather, not plot. What am I saying? All right, maybe a player is moving from club A to club B. You just go ahead, pick the caption, get the detail about the transfer update, make the caption, put it on your carousels, maybe your design. You just let's say for instance you say club Y have reached an agreement to sign player X. As simple as that. You post it there, you put your hashtag and everything, you design it, and you post it on your social media platform. So we are going to be focusing basically on just two major platforms, TikTok and Facebook. These are the platforms you are going to be using, or you are going to use if you want to start. It's a faceless content, so you can post images or graphics on TikTok, post it on Facebook. Also, you can also use Instagram Reels. Yes, you can post images as on Instagram Reels. Yes, you can use also images. Okay, so where you should post is TikTok and Facebook, not YouTube. We are not doing videos. You can also have a stake on X. Also start posting on X. Also is very, very advisable. All right, so what you can post: transfer update, match previews, match result, player statistics, and football facts, player comparison, and football debate. As simple as that. Very simple. All right, so the next one here is, where do you get your football news? So these are popular platforms you can actually use: ESPN, go.com, also BBS Sport, Sky Sport, official website, and so on. So these are some of the sites you can actually get info from about sports and sports information. So you can go to also club website to get full details. All right, so your daily football routine: if you work 9 to 5, for instance, you can focus posting once in the morning, afternoon you post one, do your lunch break, then in the evening you can do twice. So this is just a simple framework you can actually use. Highest you can post 4 times a day. I'm telling you 4 times a day so that you show consistency. All right, so 4 times a day: morning, afternoon, and evening. Once in the morning, once in the afternoon, then maybe twice in the evening. So you just post gossip, match update, goals, final result, analytics, and statistics. Also debate. If you're in Nigeria, it's not even a Nigeria issue. Globally, that we discuss about Ronaldo and Messi, who is the best. So you understand that debate are very, very important. So if you know how to structure your content, you are 100% good to go. Now, don't become a repost page. Don't just copy from a site and post to your own, on your own platform. Make sure you create your own graphics, add your own commentary, explain the story in your own words. It's very important. Explain the story in your own words. All right, it's very, very important. All right, so the next step here is, let's talk about the monetization strategy, which is very, very important. monetization strategy, which is very, very important. So getting followers is nice, but followers alone don't pay your bills. All right, the real question is, how do you turn the follower audience, the football audience, into money? Very important. So there are basically three ways I recommend. Basically three ways: platform monetization, build a football community, and sponsorship. Platform monetization, build a football community, and sponsorship. These are basically three ways you can use. Now, if I were starting from zero, I would choose my niche, create my brand, design my content template, build my page, and studying football news sources. So these are just simple frameworks I will use if I want to start. So my final thought is there will always be transfer news. The football is still relevant. So it's still relevant. All right, so you see that this is a market that cannot go on extinction now. it it will last longer till however, as long as the earth still remain, people will still be obsessed with football. So you see, this is a very large market that will not go on extinction quickly. All right, so that's it. So if you are interested in this, you want to start a full breakdown, you want me to do a quick or a well detailed video, not a quick video, showing you how to use these apps we've just talked about, then just go to the comment section and use football, type in football, and I will do a detailed video on that, on how you can actually use this platform to build a simple audience for yourself. All right, so I want to cut this video because of the noises around. All right, I'll see you in the subsequent video. If perhaps you have not subscribed to the channel, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos. All right, bye for now.